Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick review of our new Belling Gas Hob. This Belling Gas Hob comes with 4 outlets. It's self-ignition. You don't need matches or any lighter to light it. It's black with gloss finish, and that's the reason why we got it, because of the glass finish. It's easy to wipe. You know, if you happen to spill water or food on it, all you do is just spray it with a little bit of detergent and wipe it clean with your cloth. It's extremely great in the cleaning aspect, and also the power coming from it, the heat is very good. We had the Whirlpool one, which lasted for over 10 years or even 15 years before 2 of the outlets stopped working, and we had to replace it with this one. This was about probably 200 pounds plus from Currys in United Kingdom, London. And the good thing about it as well, to turn it on, just push it down for a few seconds, take your hand off it, and then you have your blue flame come out. Same, that's the one for the black. It has a cutout, so you don't take your hand off it quickly, so the gas can stay. That's that one done. And the largest one, can you hear that come on? And then you have your blue gas flame come on, and that's the little one. Even this little one usually does not really have power, but with this gas, with the Belling one, is really good. So I would love to recommend this for the fact that it's glass top finish and is wonderful. To have it work perfectly, you probably need to have yourself the extractor installed if you don't already have one, because with a glass appliance you need to have that to make sure that you are getting all the gas emission and the carbon monoxide extracted out of your kitchen. So I hope you like this Belling. Is the model number, I think, is GTG, and I'll put the link at the video below. So it's a lovely one. It's got warranty on it, and it has 4 gas cooking section. It's a beautiful one. I recommend it. Thank you for watching my channel, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.